Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. What a crazy day yesterday. After my video, Bitcoin went from 56k to 48 or 49k. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade. I'm also at the end of this video going to pick two winners for $500 worth of Bitcoin each. So two people are about to get $500 worth of Bitcoin each. I'll pick it at the end of this video. The post is on Twitter. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my $530,000 account. Massive drop yesterday, then huge bounce back, and I opened some big trades on Bitcoin. I have around 5.5 Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And Bitcoin right now sitting at extreme fear, 17, extreme fear on the crypto index. Funding fee is almost going positive again. We had this big drop on Bitcoin. Yesterday when I made the video, it was 58k. I set my trades down at 48k in that video, and it just boom, dropped massively. Huge volume came in to buy it, and then we got a bounce when the market's back open. 49,500. We went from a low of 49k all the way bouncing back to 54k, which was a crazy day in the markets. The market cap is sitting back at 2 trillion. And right now, in the last few minutes, we're also having a pump from 53,900 to 54,500. So we're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades, and then I'm going to pick the winner of two winners of $500 worth of Bitcoin each. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Market also getting hammered yesterday, but having a big bounce back. Google down 4%, Tesla 4%, Nasdaq 3.4%, one of the biggest drops in history on Nasdaq. MCRT about even, Bitcoin 54,400, huge bounce back on Bitcoin. Let's go into the weekly time frame. Always start on the longer term time frames. That drop completely destroyed this 1 year trend line. Didn't hold at all, like decimated it. Crypto Guru bought still a blue buy even after that big drop yesterday, firing a blue buy back in 2023. You get it in the Crypto Master Course. The links are down below. Bitcoin Indicator bot fired a sell at the top. It called that sell perfectly. Did not yet fire a buy. Again, you get it in the Master Course. Stochastic ranging, like weird. Volume was huge yesterday. Let's look at the daily volume. Volume huge yesterday. Look at that volume spike, everyone. That was the biggest volume spike on Bitcoin since going back to the bottom in November 2022. The last time we had a spike of volume this much, where on that day, so yesterday there was around huge volume. We had, look at that sell spike. We had 563,000 Bitcoin bought and sold yesterday. The day before, the normal volume is 160,000. So we had 560,000, almost 5 times the normal daily volume. And again, the last time this was this high was the capitulation spike on the end at the bottom of the market back when the FTX crashed. On November 2022, there was 699,000 Bitcoin sold. So bought and sold. So this was one of the biggest volume days ever. The only other day that was higher slightly was on the FTX drop. There was a few thousand Bitcoin more, but that was one of the highest Bitcoin volume spikes ever before. The golden cross is about to commit a death cross if we don't get a bounce back. Let's go closer on the daily. Stochastic bouncing back. What a volume spike. Volume predicts price, and that was the highest volume spike ever before on Bitcoin. Crazy. One of the highest ever before. Only one other day when the FTX crashed on the bottom at 15k. Crazy day. That would be the second corrective wave, but that invalidated the count, everyone, because the second corrective wave is now below the first impulse. So this is an invalidated count. Okay, we could put it as a second corrective wave. They just did it on Sunday and scared everyone when the markets were closed. And by the way, my trade yesterday at 52k hit stop loss. It went much lower. My trades didn't hit stop loss because I added more to them. I'm going to show you my $550,000 account. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. Sign up to Bybit. You get now, there's a $60,000 bonus when you meet that link and meet their trading requirements. Use that link. Take the Crypto Master Course, all the courses to learn all this, and then join us in the Telegram. There's a few hundred of you anytime online. My Bybit account right now has 539k. Yesterday we went down to 532 and it bounced back. It went actually to 410. I opened, look at my trades, everyone. So if you followed my videos, I sold Bitcoin here. You can see I sold Bitcoin at 66k 5 days ago when I warned everyone, get out of the market, sell. I took profits on my Bitcoin trade. And then we would drop from 65K all the way down to 48K. And look at my buys yesterday. I literally caught the bottom on those buys. My Bitcoin trade is still negative $15,000, but I opened a 5.5 Bitcoin trade, average entry at 57K. So still slightly negative. It's a $316,000 Bitcoin trade, but it was negative 40K at one point, and then just huge bounce back today on Bitcoin. And I also picked up a lot of different altcoins. So you can see all orders. You can see my order history. So yesterday during the drop, I was buying MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm a seed investor. I was buying Uniswap. I picked up a lot of Uniswap. $176, $500, $1,300, $500, $500, $6. I picked up. So this was me shopping yesterday. I got Uniswap at $5. And you can see I've got just a lot. I bought a lot of Uniswap. Let's go just to the breakdown. It'll be quicker. So this is my assets. I've got 13% MCRT, 30% USDT. So I entered more into the position. 30% Bitcoin. I picked up 2.4 Bitcoin during that drop. 11% Uniswap. I picked up a lot of Uniswap during that drop, which was very smart actually, because Uniswap, you can see I caught the bottom, I think, on Uniswap. Look at my buys on Uniswap. All near the bottom around that $4 mark, $4.50 mark, which was beautiful. I managed to get a lot. So my breakdown: 11% Uni, 30% cash, 28% Bitcoin, 13% MCRT, 6% Doge, 4% World. I also managed to pick up some Dogecoin at those lows and some World. So Dogecoin, you can see here I managed to get some buys in. Yesterday I sold when I warned everyone and sold 6 or 7 days ago. Look at that. And then I managed to get buys close to the bottom on Doge. And then big bounce back. Let's look at also World. Look at that. I sold World a few days ago when I warned everyone, get out of the markets, it's going to drop. And then I bought World at $1.50. Huge bounce back and great trades, everyone. Now I'm going to pick the winner over on X, and I'm going to read some of your comments first, then I'm going to pick the winner. So would Tesla at 200 be a good start to open positions? Yes, I was starting to DCA there. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone, consult your own brokers, but I would DCA into Tesla there. James, please, Litecoin. Hey, bro, I see your videos every day, and I took out everything from the market at 66K. Then I saw your video placing orders 57, 53, and I did the same. Can you please explain? You had to make your liquidation. So on my Bitcoin trade, you can see I added $80,000 worth of margin. So to bring my liquidation under 43K, you can see my liquidation price is under 43K. Now we're at 54K. I could deleverage it now. I can take out, because a lot less panic. If I take out 30K, if I decrease the margin by 30K, it will bring the liquidation to 48K. Which I think is quite safe right now. So I'm going to confirm that. I took out 80K. So I had 80K margin. Now I have 50K margin. My liquidation is at 48 now. The price is sitting at 54, which I think is safe. But if it drops, I will need to add more margin to the trade, which is beautiful. Dude, I've been watching you for a few years since you were at 20K subs. Oh, I hit 83,000 subscribers, everyone, yesterday. 83,000 subscribers. Also, yesterday's video, 6,700 views, which is amazing. Dude, I've been watching you for a few years since you were at 20K subs. You are a beast. I'm in the US and unfortunately can't use Bybit to make money with you. Good luck to you, James. There is a lot of US traders now. Coinbase is very big. US people can trade now. The government has been less restrictive. So you need to find out in USA, but there is exchanges now that work in the USA. Bitcoin is pumping right this moment. Bitcoin is right now having a bit of a pump. That's Ethereum. I also got Ethereum at 2,300 yesterday. Actually, I bought Ethereum there on spot. I was posting all of my trades in the Twitter and on the socials. So I also picked up Ethereum. Look at that. My Ethereum buy was perfectly on the bottom. Let's see if we can see it. Ethereum buy yesterday. I picked it up almost exactly at the bottom. I got it at 2,200. I bought a lot of Ethereum, actually. How much did I buy? Let's see, all orders, or trade history, Ethereum. Yesterday, I bought a bunch of Ethereum, $500, $1,000, $500, $500, $1,000, $500. So I got at 2,300, I was picking up a lot of Ethereum, which got a great bounce back very quickly, which is amazing. Let's read some more. Thank you. Good luck to you, James. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you for the beautiful message. Thanks, Sir James. You're welcome. You saved my ass. Amazing, Haseen. We love you. When I have time, I'd like to learn from your courses. You're amazing. I recommend take the courses, everyone, so you learn all this. Bitcoin right now is breaking above 55K, which is beautiful. We're breaking above 55K. Let's go back into the comments. Thanks for sharing your tea. I got to learn something from this. Recommend you do, Blair. James, you got it bang on. You think we hit 49K again? Unlikely. That was a targeted attack on a Sunday with the threat of nuclear war. They did it again like 1 month ago. Bitcoin is falling due to a recession. It was because the Iran war news and possible the Japan yen unwinding. Carry trade. I love this man. He's a real mentor. I'm following him from the start when he started educating about crypto on YouTube. Love you, man, and God bless you. Thank you very much, VP. Thank you for you, my friend. You saved me. God bless you and your family. Thank you for always keeping it honest. Thank you, Rome, and God bless you too. And just thousands of comments like this. We've got like really amazing comments. Let's pick the winner now. Thank you all for the messages. And yesterday, this is my Twitter, 85,800. It seems I'm getting unshadow banned. I made a post. For our grandparents, food was precious. We didn't care about food. Money for our generation was precious. For our children, they won't even care. I got yesterday on my video, look at that, 41,000 views on this video, and on X, on X I got 6,700 views. So that was nearly 48,000 views on yesterday's video, which was beautiful. And this was me a few days ago. Warning, so in March, when I sold the top in March, on the 17th of March, warning, I sold Bitcoin and Doge. Whenever I do these warning symbols, be very cautious. And this was the one 6 days ago when I said, warning, sold my Bitcoin instead of $500,000 trade. No one believed me, and then we came down. Even though I warned about the drop on Bitcoin of crypto 5 days ago, I'm still minus a lot, now bounced back. So to make myself feel better and anyone else out there, comment the main lesson you learned this crypto drop. We'll choose 2 winners. So I'm going to pick 2 people for $500 each of Bitcoin. We'll announce the winner on socials, retweet. I'll pick 2 winners in my next video. No matter what happens, these are lessons. When you look back at yourself from the future, you'll be thankful for these lessons that you're paying for now. And they will be cheap compared to you where you will be. Be enlightened, my friend. Thankful for the day and your gifts. 63,000 views on this post yesterday. I posted it 17 hours ago. 63,000 views, and we had 314 comments. Thank you so much. Crazy response from this post. 63,000 views, 400 comments. The main lesson I learned this crypto drop is the importance of maintaining a disciplined approach to risk management and implementing stop loss. Patience is the key to a calm mind. Let the market come to you and don't chase. To have your notifications on and take profits when the charts are telling you. Be fearful when the rest are greedy, and greedy when the rest are fearful. The most important lesson that never deploy all of your savings in the market. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Risk management is must. Always learn to trust your instincts. It will help you for the long run. Legend Guru, thank you, Basim. Main lesson learned in the importance of diversification, risk management. Lesson, James actually knows his shit. Support levels are everything. Always use a stop loss. Volume predicts price. Imaginary lines on a chart are real. Always watch James, thank you, Morning Gray. Always watch James Crypto Guru videos. Watching James Guru videos will help you trade with caution. Investor sentiment and emotions. Fear and greed can drive market decisions, leading to market fluctuations. Protect your capital, trust your instincts, share your wealth. Thank you for your wonderful opportunity. You always take care of us, community. Thank you, Ronnie. And I got, guys, there's hundreds of comments, so there's 350. I can't read them all, so I'm just gonna load them all. And then I'm going to randomly scroll through right now and pick 2 winners for $500 each of Bitcoin. So I'm going to give 2 people now $500 each worth of Bitcoin. So I'll load as many as I can. Okay, okay, ready? I'm going to pick 2 winners. Not everything is guaranteed, and take nothing for granted. Enjoy the journey and learn. Thanks, James, for your truly wonderful free knowledge on crypto. Thank you so much for your beautiful message, and congratulations on winning $500 worth of Bitcoin. My team is going to contact you. Congratulations, Whale Nevius. Congratulations, Whale Nevius. I'll follow you so my team can get you back, contact you. Let's scroll again. One more winner, $500 worth of Bitcoin. Lesson learned, always manage investment with proper DCA, money management. Do not put all money in at all times. Always have spare to DCA and buy so I won't get liquidated. Great message, Grandpa. Message. Congratulations. You win $500 worth of Bitcoin. I wanted to do this so I want people to, when they feel that it's like really desperate times, that they realize that it's going to be okay. Thank you all. Those were amazing messages. There's so many lessons in here. Always be patient, never rush into trades. The signs are always there. Never be greedy and always use stop loss. I learned to take care of others when times get tough. 10 people getting 100 be even better in my eyes. I wanted to do 2 big prizes for 500 in case people had a lot of losses. Thanks for guiding us, bro. I closed my position 5 days ago. Congratulations, Kawil. Thank you everyone for all the amazing messages. Congratulations on anyone that managed to get out of the markets at 66 and buy back in yesterday down near 49. Brutal day in the markets. They used that Sunday as an attack when the ETFs were closed, and that's why I started getting in heavy yesterday, because I understood that as soon as the ETFs opened, they would pick up this oversold Bitcoin. Let's see how the markets now go, and let's see how the wars de-escalate. Let's pray for peace everywhere. This is why it's very important to pray for peace and to push politicians to negotiate and to de-escalate, never have war, because the whole world is affected. Even though the war is somewhere else, everyone around the world feels it. So pray for peace, push for negotiations, vote out any warmonger politicians. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.